Hi guys, I'm Mama Vandermany. I am mom to 15. We are going to go into Aldi today. We are working on the Pantry Challenge, which I'm allotting myself $50 per week. Went a little over budget last week. It was like $88. That included some birthday supplies. I think this week I'm gonna still keep it. I'm gonna do like $100 and I'm hoping that will be 2 weeks. So far I've spent $88 for the month. I think I'm going to try to do another $100 today on some fruits and vegetables and some things that the kids need. I think we have sour cream on the list. Yeah, I have a list. I think I have a list. Let's go. Okay guys, so here are some potatoes. So we are going to be having some potato meals at the Wells house. The other house already has some potatoes there, so they didn't need any. They were growing little eyeballs, so she's going to be probably using those this week. So I'm grabbing one bag of the apples for the Wells house, and then one bag for Ronald McDonald's house, and then two for the Wells house. The Wells house is where the majority of the family is staying. So they will have the 2 bags, and they will just be for fresh eating. My 8-year-old daughter, she wanted to help out, so she is here going to help me with some bananas. We have just a small thing of bananas for the Wells house because they are high in carbs. So for the majority of the time, Sweet Pea does not eat bananas most of the time because I think it's like 42 carbs for a banana, or maybe that's even half a banana. I can't remember, but it's a high carb amount for her. So usually that is not a snack that we choose. We have things up at our main house. We have nuts and dry fruits that I thought that we had brought down, but we didn't bring those down. So next time we go up, we're going to bring those up so that we can use those for fresh eating, for not fresh eating, for snacks. So oranges are on sale. It is that time of year. So we've got 4 bags of oranges. One will go to Ronald McDonald, and then 3 will go over to the Wells house. They'll like those because they haven't had like real oranges for a while. Sometimes we buy cuties. A lot of times we buy cuties, but they will enjoy having those. So what we're eating right now for snacks is mainly fruits and vegetables and canned fruits and vegetables. Popcorn. Occasionally they'll make a baked good, but those are mainly the things that they are having then. We love grapefruit. I know lots of people do not like grapefruit, but we really like grapefruit. So they will love that for breakfast. I got 1 bag for each house because Sweet Pea really loves them too. So she can have some grapefruit with some of her brown sugar. Sometimes we throw them in the oven with like a little bit of brown sugar on top, and she has her Swerve brown sugar on that. I was debating here if I wanted to get lettuce or not. I ended up just grabbing it. I was trying to like stay in budget, and then I was quickly realizing that I may not stay in budget this grocery haul. So I was just like, oh, whatever. I'll just get what I wanted to get, and then we'll deal with the budget amount later. So we ended up getting some carrots. Those will just be used as a side item most likely, and or if they if they're taking the kids out someplace, then carrot sticks and apples and fresh fruits and vegetables are really easy just to like pack real quick. So those would be great for that. I was looking over here. We were looking for some sweet potatoes because I have sweet potatoes and chili on the menu, and we have those for both weeks. So we would need enough for both weeks. So I got 4 bags because it would be 2 bags per meal. And what they would do is they would have the sweet potatoes first baked or whatever, put the chili on it. I decided not to go with that ranch dressing. We need diapers too, which is not part of the grocery haul, but just showing you what I got. Good price. I hope the diapers actually work. So we would be taking the chili, putting it on top of cooked sweet potatoes, topping that with some sour cream and or salsa that we home canned. So I was just looking around for things that could potentially be needed that might be in the right price. So these ones right here are sensitive wipes, but they were not unscented, and I wanted the unscented ones. So it was just 1 package of unscented. I ended up going on Amazon later that day and ordering 2 cases, maybe more than 2 cases, because I think they were having a deal. It was like buy $100 worth of these products and get $30 back. So I ended up doing that. So I ended up spending money on, I think I might have got like 4 cases of wipes. That will last us a few months with just my 2-year-old there. We also needed laundry soap at the Ronald McDonald House. We did not need it at the Wells House because we're still making our laundry soap, but we needed it for the Ronald McDonald House. I didn't realize it was almost empty, so I don't know if that will work or not. We usually use like all free and clear, I believe it is, and we did okay with our skin with that. Here I am staring at the cheese because what I was looking for was mixed bags of not orange cheese that were the bigger bags, and all they had was this orange cheese here, so I ended up just getting that. I was trying to decide, like, price wise, if it made sense, or I ended up getting those 2 for the Wells House for different things, such as those potatoes as well as casseroles. I grabbed one of these mozzarellas for my husband to make some lunch. They have some lunch meat in the freezer from way back when we went to Sam's Club, and I cut up those big hunks of meat. That was a few months back, and we threw them in the freezer, and we still had some, so we had some of those. And then we got string cheese for the little kids. That is a great snack for Sweet Pea because we don't even have to count it. And I realized at this point I was kind of feeling defeated because I was like, oh, I need butter, and I'm already like at my $100 or over. And I was like, whatever, I'm just going to grab the butter. So I grabbed 2 of those, and then I came over here and I grabbed some yogurt. Yogurt is also great for Sweet Pea for breakfast. And when I saw that there was a limit on the eggs, I definitely wanted to get yogurt because she spikes a lot of times when she has oats. I've tried it a bunch of different ways, and yes, occasionally I will do oats for her, but this is just quick and easy for my daughter to be able to give that to her. So we ended up getting 4 of the plain yogurts. And then we need some half and halves. I got 4. One will be for Ronald McDonald House, and then the other 3 will be for the other house. Hopefully it's 1 a week. Hopefully they can make that work. We shall see. And then I was trying to figure out eggs. I ended up getting these 2 eggs here, these organic eggs. So it was a limit of 2. I should have showed the sign in this, and I really didn't. Limit of 2 eggs. So I got 2 eggs. I think I'm going over. So a friend in the NICU, I asked if they wanted anything, and they said they wanted those mixed nuts. So I grabbed those in a purple container. And then over the same area, there was a bunch.
I went over budget. I
grabbed those.
That's our loud truck. We need to fix something on the exhaust. Haven't had time to do it, but we're going to at some point. If we don't get pulled over before then. Anyhow, we went grocery shopping. I actually feel like I did a good job. It is really hard to stay in that budget that I set myself. But I do feel like they have a lot of fruits and vegetables, at least to get through 2 weeks. I wasn't thinking I needed to get like cheese and creamer. I need to get cheese and creamer and butter, and I wasn't really planning on that. I don't know why. I was just thinking fresh fruits and vegetables, and the prices were good, and I got a bunch of stuff, and I'm okay with it. $200 versus, so far it would be $288. I think that I might have to go one more time. My grand total budget for the month would have been $200. I should have actually planned $50 per house per week, I think is more realistic versus having $50 for both of the houses. So I think for next month it's going to be $50 per house per week, and I'll stick to that budget versus trying to like squeeze it in. It's just too tight to do it that way. But we are eating a lot of stuff from the pantry, which is a super blessing. And yeah.
Okay guys, so here we are trying to sort out bags, which my brain by this point was just like, oh my goodness, I hadn't slept well the night before. So the red bag here is stuff that was going to Ronald McDonald House, and then the other stuff was going into bags, but they were getting a little confused on what was going where, so I was just kind of plopping things here and there, and then we put the red bag in the back of the truck, so that would be separate, and then all the diapers and wipes went to the Ronald McDonald House. So I was just filling up the bags. I try to sort it out like this so that I know what's going where and it doesn't get confusing and we don't have to, might as well just do it once. And then everything else went to the Wells house. Thanks for watching, guys. So that was our grocery haul. I did not go back to the um, either of the houses that day. I came back to the hospital, but I should probably go like this. Trying, guys. I'm trying to make the voice better on here. So what's going to be served this week? We have, let's see, a pot of chili, and then chili over sweet potatoes and cheese, salsa, sour cream, rice bowls, chicken and rice, green beans, applesauce, hamburger dish, sweet and sour meatballs over rice and green beans, chili, sweet potatoes, cheese and sour cream. Did I buy sour cream? I didn't buy sour cream, so I don't think they're having sour cream with those potatoes. Chicken, mashed potatoes, carrots, chicken pot pie, pickles. I don't know. I think I just read too many. I read too many, guys. So went over budget, as you guys saw. I think I'm just going to make it to be $100 per week. That's $50 for each place. Even though $50 isn't going to be for both places, I think that it's just too hard. Especially we didn't bring some other stuff down that needs to come down from the house. I may be able to evaluate that less, but still, I mean, I'm saving $1,000 a month because my current budget beforehand was $1,400 a month. That's $100 per person per month of eating people. And so it was $1,400 a month, and now I'm at $288. I probably will end up spending close to $400 this month, but that still saves $1,000, guys. So happy about that. I'm going to continue doing this. We're also doing this because we want to take the food storage that we have and take it down, because if we don't end up staying at that house, we have a heck of a lot of food storage there. So we need to be eating that down. So what are you all making this week? Tell me all your yummy things. And are you staying in budget if you set yourself a budget for this pantry challenge? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below. Have a blessed day.